Yo, it's Gucci everybody on YouTube. Thank you guys for tuning in to another video on this channel. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. This is going to be a random unboxing video and recent pickups, whatever the case is. I do have some videos on the way. Your boy has been in a very big creative slump lately. But alright guys, yeah, so this video is going to be on recent pickups. I'm not trying to talk too much in the intro, but this is what I recently picked up. I have a pair of shorts, a pair of shoes that I feel like are highly slept on, and then I picked up a pair of Jordan 1s and along with some other miscellaneous items. So let's just hop into the video right. Alright you guys, so without this video, or without my girlfriend, I wouldn't be able to film this video, so I appreciate you, baby. I appreciate you so much. I love you, and hopefully you see this video. Hopefully you see my shout out. So yeah, thank you for the iPhone case. This case did not fit her iPhone, so she gave it to me. Chinatown Market, nice little swaggy case. And then also she did help me get these Jordan 1s. She purchased these. Alright you guys, so if you guys do watch the vlog series, my girlfriend did get me these as a gift, so appreciate you, baby. I love you. But yeah, so thank you. I got these Nike SB New York to Paris, I believe is the colorway. The collab. These are super comfy because they have a different insole from a regular pair of Jordan 1s. They have the Zoom Air on the heel. It does do a big difference, but Jordan 1s are kind of comfy to me in a way, I guess you can say. But yeah, so New York to Paris pickup. Shout out to my girlfriend. These are super sick, but I don't think I haven't gotten like one single paint chip. So alright you guys, so moving on from my corny self, I did pick these up from Nike.com. Shout out to the plug, you know who you are. And yeah, so Nike on the side. You guys always see me picking up Nike stuff, so I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox this. While I unbox this, I want to say thank you guys to those who have been purchasing from bflakessupply. If you guys do want to check that out, I have been posting a couple of items on there, some new items. If you guys don't follow the Instagram, go ahead and do that because there are some new stuff up on there. So yeah, let's just unbox this. This specific pair of shorts, I do have multiple shorts in this color, or not in this color, but this is weird. Hold on, sorry. Alright you guys, so if you guys do remember back then, I did do a video on the ACG shorts. These are kind of the same thing, and if I think I did do a what's it called, unboxing on the black pair that I picked up. But this is the green pair, super sick, nice little short, you know, the city boy summer shorts, the shorts above the knee shorts. How many times can I say shorts in a sentence? But yeah, so there you guys go. Nike sportswear shorts, green, sick, beautiful pickup. I love these a lot. Moving on. Alright you guys, last but not least, I do feel like this shoe is super slept on, and I haven't really unboxed this shoe just because I wanted to unbox it for the video. So, you know, hit the thumbs up button for me if you guys do love the unboxing videos. Let me cover the address because there is one right here. But these shoes are from Nike Lab. I've seen a lot of influencers, not influencers, but I guess I've seen a lot of the round 2 crowd rocking these, like Sean, Chris, Luke, and this shoes actually has really grown on me because of them. I do love this shoe for a summer shoe, but I picked up the Zoom Vomero 5 SP. This is the Nike Lab version. I think all of them, yeah, all of them are Nike Lab, so I don't know why I'm saying Nike Lab version, but it does come in a nice black Nike box, as you guys can see. And then the colorway I picked up was the white pair. I did try these on at Undefeated and they are super comfy, so I'm excited to rock these daily. Nice little white pair of shoes, or like this off-white grayish color. I don't know what the camera's showing right now, but I do like these a lot. I love this colorway, and I do plan on buying the Volt colorway. But yeah, so random Nike pickup. I thought these are super slept on just because it does give me that dad shoe vibe. And I love it a lot actually, so super hyped to have these and super excited to wear them. If you guys do want to see like an on foot video, let me know. But I did see these on Instagram and I love them a lot, so that's why I picked them up. But yeah, boom. Alright you guys, if you guys haven't checked out bflakessupply, I'd love if you guys could go ahead and do so. I have been trying to push the web store a lot. If you guys want to purchase anything, the link will be down in the description down below. I feel like I do have some very good steals and deals, so go ahead and check that out. I love the support on there. And yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that thumbs up if you guys did. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Links to everything that you need will be linked down below in the description. Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, whatever the case is. If you guys want to leave a comment on what you guys want to see next, let me know as well. And hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace. Alright, you guys, if you guys didn't believe me, I feel like this shoe, I look really awkward right now. I feel like this shoe's a sleeper, dude. So, boom. I don't know. Maybe I'll do on feet pictures, but I love this shoe a lot. I'm happy to have it on my feet right now. They actually look super sick as I look down. But if you guys are watching this random clip, I do these random things where I just talk to the camera, but I have noticed, and it's kind of been making me like bummed out, but I have noticed that the thumbs up button isn't doing too well. It's only been getting like 10, 15, 20 likes. I wanted to be doing like 50. Also comments, not a lot of people are commenting, so maybe the engagement rate, I need to be more engaged with you guys. So if you guys have like anything you guys want to ask me, or questions, or just comments, I don't know, I'm not like asking for like clout or anything. I just want to know like where my videos stand for you guys, what do you guys think. I know like the main thing is being consistent, and I need to do that. That's the one thing I need to push, is just pushing out like 1 to 2 videos a week would be the best thing ever for me. I would love that. But yeah, so if you guys have like any inspiration, I'm not like asking for motivation, I should be motivating myself, but if you guys have any video ideas on what you guys want to see, or questions for me, maybe I'll do a Q&A. I know I'm going to be doing a giveaway very soon, so stay tuned for that. But for the most part, like, I love y'all. Thank you guys for the support. If you guys have been like grinding with me for the years, I know I've been up and down with this YouTube shit, but I love y'all. If you guys are supporting me, if you're rocking with me, thank you guys. If you guys have been rocking with bflakessupply, dude, thank you so much. The site has been doing really well as far as lately. But yeah, so I don't know, just leave a comment, let me know what you guys want to see. I do want like some feedback from y'all, like where do my videos stand. I know I have had this talk with you guys before. Some of you guys said consistency is key, and I just need to do that. Consistency is key, and I need to push out as much as I can. But I also feel like my videos do need to be better. So let me know. Leave a comment. I don't know. Random talks. Sorry if it's too long. I know I did want to push this video to be 4 or 6 minutes. But yeah, signing out. Peace.